Okay, so I'm getting ready for a party, so I need a couple of ice chests. And I've got these great ones here that I'm gonna pull down and get them cleaned up and pull all the shelvings and everything out of it. So this I can't do one-handed. All right, the first one I've already cleaned out. That just had 2 shelves in it. But these are pretty grubby, but they could be cleaned up. Like I said, I'm gonna pull these out. Let's see what the other one looks like. That one's got a couple of trays, which I'm not gonna be using this weekend. Oh, look, there's one more tray in there. The great thing about this fridge is you can set it on its side and use it as a full-size ice chest. That should be enough for our cold drinks. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just scrub these up, and I'm gonna be listing these for sale. All right, here they are, all nice and clean. They're gonna get a little drip dry, and we're gonna tip them over and stack them up. They came out really nice. I'm not gonna worry like the shelves, like I said, because they're gonna be standing upright. All right, I'm noticing this one's got a little chip right in there. But the latch is really nice. It even locks into place. The tin emblem is busted right there. And it's got some swelling there. On the second one, little crack right there. A little weathering on the bottom. Inside's really nice. It's got a nice latch, nice emblem. And the third one. Which has a date code there. Whatever that means. A little bit of rust on the latch. It's a little wobbly. Inside is nice. Either way, they serve its purpose. All right, here we go again. 1, 2, and 3.